Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wright County, Meeker County, northwestern McLeod County, northwestern Sherburne County, eastern Stearns County, southeastern Kandiyohi County, until 10 p.m. At 9:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rice to 11 miles east of Brinsburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Cloud, Wilmer, Hutchinson, Litchfield, Waite Park, St. Joseph, Becker, Cold Spring, Collegeville, Annandale, Cokato, and Albany. This includes the following highways: Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 148 and 187. U.S. Highway 10 in Minnesota between mile markers 179 and 196. U.S. Highway 12 between mile markers 7